we've been looking for somebody to, you know, just kind of help us create partnerships. Cross country borders, cross continent borders even.
Yes.
And impact this world as Jamaicans should.
Well, Kingman, the politician's not doing it, you know. So we have to do it. Me and you have to do it.
Well, you know the first thing I really want to do? I want to take you to a couple of these communities that I am working with.
Okay.
The first one even, I think is very critical because there's a very, you know, serious situation that happened there recently. You know? 4 young ladies got abducted.
Wow.
Apparently they were going to be cast into the human trafficking ring.
What? What is wrong with these people?
They have been rescued and returned. However, the community is in shackles because young people need opportunity, but
I can imagine.
who can they trust to go to?
Well, Kingman, to be honest with you, I really want to help, you know. And my business is very credible. You can check me out on Instagram because it's been a while.
Yeah.
You know, it's been a while. You need to check out my thing and see what's going on.
Tell me some of the names you have there, your handles online.
Alright. The fashion and lifestyles is Fosternice_246, which is Fosternice. I don't know if you can see my back.
Yes, I can.
You can see it?
Fosternice
Yes. _246. It's very credible. Also short ink elements where I print t-shirts and so forth.
Okay.
Right? And I really want to help these young people. You know, there's so much opportunities out there, not only in Barbados but worldwide.
Yes.
For us as Jamaicans, but we have to have the mindset to receive the change, you know, because I'm willing to help to make the change.
Exactly.
I'm willing to help make the change, but they have to have that mindset.
You can stop stand up right like you're police in this spot. You can go on in and pick me up later because I don't want crime come see you right so.
Just do my job. You have to remember say boss tell me something always look out there. So anything happen to you, go and get it later. Me.
Whisper, it's not an assignment, you know. I want class me at teach.
Alright, Tony. I'm soon leave.
Alright.
Bun man on his side.
That me I tell you man, pull and vicious and make me know them just the bun man over there. Me hear say a 14 man them a run it off.
You know say me tell him me not trust the boy then.
I think I him alone me not trust.
My sister you push a war on a boy.
So man will go feel. Brother, yeah man them a hear me. And that we there man.
Next thing to the far, see Savage over there, you know.
I'll Savage over there.
Yo, louder. Remember him say my lady.
I got that him over there do man.
Oh you know that? You're police informer boy.
Vicious.
Oh.
Hold your foot now brother.
You know, so me feel like a boy bun man know which part chopper they do. Low Savage, bully deal with that too, you know.
Yo, but I love for city, let's see my deal with it proper though.
Send me a vicious then man.
Not even too like here about them savage brother you charge you be a police. Oh, just some of them bad man. Yeah man, you hear me I say. King man he come give me a link, you know. I mean him to do it. I tell him I give him 72 hours. So I tell you, 24, gone out at 72. And I can tell you this. So when them time they're up, all the crooks them I deal with it, man.
I want a cup of darkness, man.
That is it, man.